Yo, what's up guys? What's happening? It is your boy. As you can see, this is a different type of video. I'm at work. I'ma just film what I do here, which is pretty much just wash cars, honestly. For the most part, just chill, which I shouldn't be doing, but I just be chilling in here, watching whatever I want to watch if it's dead. But right now they look busy, so I'ma just film how I wash the cars. They're mostly never too dirty because they pre-wash them, I guess you can say. So whenever I get a car, I'll record it, and I guess you could call it a work vlog. But I'm doing this because the other guy that's usually here with me, he's off for the rest of the week. So I figured I could make a couple videos. I might do some reactions here throughout the week, might. But while I'm washing the cars, I'm not gonna speak. That's why I'm doing the speaking right now. I might try and do a voiceover to let you know how I do it. If not, I'll type it out somewhere what I'm doing. But yeah, I'm gonna do a couple sold cars because I'm pretty sure they're gonna sell some. And then I'll show you how I wash my car, which nobody really gives a shit. But like I said, I just wanna put out a couple videos. Damn, this angle I look way fatter. Look at this, the roundness. Yeah, anyways, I just wanted to make a quick intro. And yeah, just so you guys can see what I do at work. Right now, I'm gonna just chill. But yeah, I'm gonna show you what I do. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I don't know if I'm gonna do an outro, but if I don't be surprised. Yeah, I'm gonna just watch cars. Detail, which I don't think is a detail, but whatever. My lady parks it under a tree. As y'all can tell, you probably can't tell from here, but my car's really never that dirty. It's not even dirty, but I just like to wash it every Friday. I wish I could get a better angle, but I'll probably zoom it in the editing process. I'm sorry I'm not getting any good angles, but I'm not a detailing channel, so I'm not gonna get good angles. This is probably as best as you're gonna get. I forgot my tripod. Anyways, this is supposed to be for the wheels, so I'm gonna put this on. Low-key, my car was pretty dirty today. I think it's been like 2 weeks since I washed it. Next, I'm gonna wash it with the foam cannon. This is soap. This is to prevent scratches. I mean, that's part of the reasons why I got a white, because you can't tell. But still, foam cannon. Now, I'm gonna just rinse it off and dry it, and probably vacuum. It's pretty dirty inside too. that's pretty much it. It's not much. I'm gonna show you all inside so y'all can see. It's a little trashy, but I'm not gonna show you the drying process because I know that's gonna get boring. Damn, I need to get my fat ass off the screen. Okay, right there, good angle. Nah. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the inside. I'm not gonna show you the drying process. And I don't know, this is probably it, honestly. I don't know, I'll see. But yeah, take a look at the inside. It's not too bad. I mean, I got my baby shoes in there. Some, what is this, a jacket, her blankets. Let me turn on the light. Can I turn on the light? Yeah, got a little trash can right here. This shit comes in handy. I'm gonna empty this shit out right now. Got a blanket, an umbrella, the car seat, all my lunch thing. But as y'all can see, it's nothing too crazy. It's small in here. But I'm gonna dry this thing because the door jams, because that kind of gets annoying. I'm gonna do it for all four of the trunk. For some reason, I don't do it for the hood. I don't know why. Yeah, look, it's not too crazy. This is a drug screening. I'm not gonna show you exactly, but this is a drug screening for that Amazon job because I'm about to leave this place. But yeah, look, nothing too crazy. I'll probably just dump that mat out with the trash. But yeah, like I said, my car's really never dirty. It was a little dirtier this time. But like I said, I don't show like good angles because I'm not a detailing channel. If you guys want to see actually like close-ups of washing cars, and if you guys like to see cars getting clean, go check out a Detail Geek. That's who I watch. That guy shows you close-ups. He cleans the carpets, everything. Like, that's real detailing. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys real quick what I do to my car. Like I said, nothing crazy because it's never really too dirty. Okay, look, check this out. So I wanted to get this car, an SUV, the RAV4. That's a hybrid. I'm gonna get it this color. Just I haven't gotten it yet because we're in a car shortage. If you guys don't know, all the dealers have like no cars. Maybe they probably have used ones, but new ones, everybody's dead on new cars. So as soon as maybe next, I'll probably be out of here by next year. But whenever we get new cars, I'm trading this one for that. This car cost me $26,000. The base model for this car, this is a hybrid, an XSE. This is kind of top of the model or top of the line. This shit is $41,000. The base model for this is the same price as my car, 26. So I'm like, dude, really? I could have got this fucking car, but in a white, not a hybrid either. But obviously this car, you know, is an SUV. It has more room. I need it from, you know, for my baby. Shit, it's locked. But yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna trade. Just give me a couple months. This is gonna be my next car in a white. Just give me a couple months. It's gonna be the same color as this. As you can tell, this is not just a basic white. It's a pearl white. You can kind of see like a little pearl bouncing off of that color. I think the tint makes this car look better. I think tint makes any car look better. Got my YouTube on the back. See the black badging? I'm not about to show you my license plate. My what you see in my plate frames is YouTube. The same, but like I said, oh look, check this out. I don't know if I showed you guys already. I got my baby in the air freshener. My in-law got it for me. But check this out. For you guys that watch anime, y'all know what this is. The Attack on Titan air fresheners made out of wood. It's pretty dope. But my baby's still my favorite one. That picture's funny. Anyways, yeah. That's it for my car. Like I said, I'm gonna just dry it, get the little pieces of trash out, and that's pretty much it. If I get another car, which I most likely will, I'm gonna show you how I do other cars, which I think one's coming, honestly. Yep, I think one's coming. Hold on. Or that's probably his car. I think it's his car because it doesn't have any stickers. Yeah, never mind. But if I get one, I'll show you guys how I do those. All right. And here's the finish, really? And here's the finished product. Y'all see the pearl bouncing off the car and right here in this area? That's dope. Put some tire shine on this bitch. Y'all can't see my plates, so oh, you saw it already. That's what she looked like clean, which is not really a difference, but yeah, I haven't gotten anything yet. Any fucking sold cars, so I'm still just chilling here. I heard they were busy, but they haven't brought in any. Oh, am I jinxing it? That's probably one right there. Oh, they about to crash. They about to crash. Bam! And I didn't even say nothing. Oh, now he honks. Oh no, that's not a sale. I thought that was a salesman. It's probably one of the techs. Yeah, they're both techs. Never mind. But anyways, yeah, that's the video. Y'all fucks with that white though? My lady loves this color, so I was like, fuck it, it looks cool. But yeah, like I said, I'm still waiting for a fucking car to wash, but if I don't get any, then this is probably the end of the video. Hold on, let me get a quick thumbnail. Alright, fuck it. That's enough.